wanna come on hop out? Huh? You don't got no license, man. You don't remember me from last time? Super Bowl.
Dang, roll all of these windows down, man. Can't see anything inside here. Officer Woolley from Akron Police Department. The reason you're being pulled over is for your window tint.
What's your company?
Do you know someone that lives here?
Peoples.
What's your people's name?
Just a traffic
I
stop.
just called my uncle.
Okay. You don't know their actual name? Are you a valid driver?
So,
Go ahead and step on out. Come on. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. 42.
Car eight's gonna have 39.
Pull him out.
Just put your hands behind your back, alright? Turn around, put your hands behind your back. There you go. Nothing crazy, alright?
There's a gun underneath the.
Come on, hop out.
Get out of the car, dude. Keep your hands still. Keep your hands still. Put them up here. On top of there. Keep them there, please. There's a gun underneath the center console there. Come on back here.
What's your first name?
Sorry.
Okay, Aaron.
We'll take care of you. Okay. Come on.
No, you ain't. Where's the weed at? I'm gonna have you have a seat in the back here, alright? If you could, or actually, oh, I didn't know he was in there. Come on, hop out. I'll have you have a seat in the other one. My bad.
oh,
Alright, come on. I'm gonna have him have a seat in his car real quick. You good? You ain't got nothing I missed? Alright, go have a seat. But keep your feet out. I'm gonna check that brace real quick. You ain't got nothing in your pants, do you?
Here, we'll get some out. Just get everybody out. You want everybody out?
yeah, just go ahead and get him out.
Come on, step out. Right back to her. Need some gloves?
You don't have anything in your bag, do you, that we need to be concerned about? No weapons, nothing in there. Mind if I take a quick look? Just make sure you don't have any weapons with you. Alright. You can come to this side over here. Have a seat, alright?
He posted the video on the 30th, and just before we saw this, I told him that Grand Marquis, the dude had a gun on his lap, and that's the gun that's in the video. He's holding it.
You found him? You just found him on Facebook?
Yeah, and he's got the video. And I just saw this car in 10 that had expired tag on it. Do you know where we saw this car? Me and you saw it. This was the one that was at that BP. And I said we should flip around that dude. Yeah. They want him. They want this guy identified for a shooting. So.
Okay. He just had the gun in the glove compartment?
There was two guns. One was under the center console. Where was the other one? Oh,
He ain't reach for it?
No. The passenger can't run. He's got a huge leg brace on. I thought it was an ankle holster.
Good shit, man.
Yeah, I know. You want his name? Driver's name?
Yeah, what's his name?
Dorian, D-O-O. Well, actually, you want to confirm that, Wally.
Just shoot her social over to her.
I will.
She's doing your tow report.
All right.
Karan Antoine? Alright, can you hear me? You can hear me? Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand that? Anything? Okay, well, I'm required to read them to you, and I need you to acknowledge that you understand each one of them, okay?
I know, bro.
Okay, well, I'm just going to read them again to remind me of what your rights are. Because you don't want me to violate your rights, right?
You ain't gotta, I know him, bro.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand that? Do you understand that, sir?
I know my rights, bro.
Okay. What's the next one, then?
I know him.
If you can recite them to me, I won't read them to you.
I know him, bro.
What's your next right?
I know him. You have a right to attorney, all that, I know all that shit, bro.
Okay, you have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. Do you understand that?
Can you just read them, please? I'll get all of them.
Well, I need you to understand that
I'll get all of them, just read them.
if you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide any time to exercise these rights and not to answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand all those rights that I just read to you? All right, with that being said, what's going on here, man?
To me,
What's going on here today?
what's really going on? Y'all pulled this over.
Okay. Whose car is that?
That's his car.
It's his car?
Yeah.
What's his name?
He told you his name.
I know. I
So
want to
why
know
I
if you
gotta
know
say-
his name.
I do know it.
Okay. What
He
is it?
told you it.
I know what his
So why
name
do
is.
I gotta
I
tell
want to
you
know
what
if
he
you
told
know
you?
what his
I do
name
know
is.
it.
What's that?
I do know it.
Okay, so tell me what it is.
He told you, so why do I gotta tell you?
I just answered that question. I want to know if you know his name. Because I know his name. He told me what it is.
I know it too. We
So
both
what is
know
it?
his name, so why do I gotta repeat it?
Because I need to confirm that you know it.
I do know it.
So tell me what it is.
You know his name.
Okay. So you don't want to talk to me.
We can talk, but I'm just saying that's dumb to ask me
If I-
what's his name.
Talking is me asking you questions and you giving me the answers.
Alright.
We're not going to keep going in circles.
I'm not going
like
in
like
circles.
me reading you your rights. You couldn't recite them back to me, but you knew
I
them.
know him,
But
bro.
you knew them.
This is not gonna change nothing that's going on. So
Sure it is.
It's not.
Yeah, it makes a
It's
big
not,
difference.
Bro. Come on, bro. I'm not no dummy, bro. You feel me?
I didn't say you were.
Bullshit.
I didn't say you were a dummy. How old are you?
I'm 20.
Okay. Do you work anywhere?
Uh,
Where do you live?
live in Maryland Valley.
Merriman Valley? Do you live in the whole valley or do you live in a specific house in the valley?
Waterford.
Do you live in the whole Waterford or in a
I
specific?
don't know the address there.
How long have you lived there?
Live with my aunt. It's my aunt's house. It's an
That
apartment.
didn't answer my question.
Apartment. I'm telling you, I don't
How
know
long
the
have you lived there, I said?
I don't know. I've
Okay.
been living
So
here for a year.
I'm confused here, man. You're telling me you're a
Bro,
smart kid.
I'm not about to keep doing that.
You're telling me you're smart, but you can't tell me your
I'm
address?
not finna talk to you, bro.
I mean,
I'm
these
not about
are-
to play these games, bro. You know not a teacher, none of that. You was a police officer, bro. I'm not about to play these games with you, bro. You laugh, I ain't laughing, bro.
I mean, you're telling me you're a smart
Just
kid,
saying,
but you
bro,
can't
I'm
tell
not
me your
laughing,
address
I'm
that
not
you've
playing
lived at
either,
for.
though. We about to do this, we gonna talk, bro. You playing, like, I'm not playing. I'm telling you the real. I don't know the address. I'm telling you it's in the Waterford.
You've
I live
lived
with
there
my aunt.
1 year, correct?
I've been living with my aunt since I got shot. Ever since I got shot, I've been living with my aunt. I don't know how long it's been. But ever since I got shot.
Are we
it's
talking
on
like
record.
2
It's
days
on
ago,
record.
a
It's on
month
record,
ago,
bro. It's all on, all this is
5
on
months ago?
record, bro. You can pull it up. It's all on record.
I'm not going to pull it up. I'm asking you.
I'm not about to keep getting. This is dumb if y'all already know. It's on
I
file.
don't know. That's why I'm
But it's
asking.
on file, though. It's on file.
What file? What file is it?
Beyond what you think we know, we don't know everything.
So, exactly.
So
Because
we ask
I just
questions.
want to know.
We're asking
minute here.
All I want to know is why I got a warrant for 2 guns and I never got
already
caught with
told
no
you, if I
gun.
knew, I would tell you.
Like,
I
that's
don't
weird.
know.
Like,
I don't know. I
That's-
don't know any more than you do. I had told you that.
exactly.
What are you doing in the car with a gun?
I didn't have no gun.
I didn't say you had a gun. I asked what you were doing in the car with a gun.
But I ain't got nothing to do with it. It ain't my gun. What I gotta do
It's
with
not
that?
your gun?
What I gotta do anything.
Why are you sitting in a car with a gun?
Why am I sitting in a car with a gun? I'm worried about me. Me and what I got going on.
I would be worried about that too. So if I get in a car and there's a gun sitting right
I
there,
understand what you're saying.
that concerns me.
I understand what you're saying.
That doesn't concern you?
It don't got nothing to do with me if it ain't mine.
It does today, doesn't it?
No,
It don't?
no.
So you're going to the county. What are you going to the county for?
I don't care about going to the county. I'm
That's
talking
not what I asked. I
I'm
said,
matter
what are you
what
going
is
to the
gonna
county
happen in
for
court. That's all I'm worried about. Cause I know I didn't have nothing. It's gonna come back in forensics. I ain't had nothing. So that's all that matters. That's all I'm worried about. I know. So I take my drug charges, whatever y'all want to do.
What
Other
drug
than that,
charges?
what
Did you have
I got-
drugs
what
on
y'all
you?
had on me, yeah. Whoever
What drugs
searched
did
me.
you have on you?
Y'all seen what I had on me.
I didn't see what you
Whoever
had.
searched me.
What
I
did
ain't
you
about
have?
to come on, bro.
What did you have on you?
Ask the person who searched me.
Who searched you? Which one was
I
it?
don't know. Probably him.
Do you know the back passengers in the car? You don't know who they are. Where were you guys headed to?
I just woke up.
You just woke up?
Y'all was pulling us over.
Where'd you get picked up at?
I've been with him all day.
I thought you said you just woke up.
He came and got me from the house. I've been in the car asleep.
Which house?
I just told you I lived there, bro. In Merriman Valley.
So he
Just
picked
told
you up from the Merriman Valley?
Yeah.
How long ago was that?
Bro, I'm not about to do all this, bro. Time shit, bro. None of that, bro. Cause I'm not no kid, bro.
Where are you guys headed
I'm
to?
just telling you that, bro. That ain't none of your business. If we ain't getting there.
Okay. Oh, what's he doing driving around with a gun?
I don't know. Ask that man.
Well, you got in the car with him.
You asking me what he doing. I
Right.
don't know. I can't, just like you can't tell me what he thinking. I don't know what he
So
thinking.
you're telling me that it's normal for you to get into a car
I
with
don't
just
know
guns
what- I'm
just
telling
guns
you,
sitting
though,
there?
what that-
Because
what
it
you
wasn't
just
hidden,
said.
right? I mean, we
Just
both
tell
saw.
me.
We
I'm
all
just
saw
telling
it.
you, though. I'm just telling you. That's what I'm saying. We all saw it. So
So why are you getting into a car when you see a gun there?
that was my choice.
Okay, so you knowingly got in the car when you saw
I
the
didn't
gun.
know it was in there, but I'm
Well, you
saying-
obviously did. It was
How?
sitting
How
right
did
there.
I know it was in there? How did I know it was in there?
Because it
So
wasn't
you tell
hidden.
me how I know it was in there.
Because it wasn't hidden. You were sitting right next to you.
Bro, I'm not about to keep arguing with you, bro.
All right. Well, good luck to you, sir.
Good luck to you.
That went swimmingly.
All right, you guys are good to go. You been in the county before?
Just told you I've never been to jail, bro. Besides the
Listen, dude, quit getting so defensive about the
not,
question. I'm
because
not
y'all
trying to
like-
trick you. It's just a
I
simple
know.
question.
Y'all always trying to trick me, bro.
I ain't trying to
I don't
trick you.
believe
There ain't
nothing
nothing
y'all
about
say.
tricking
I
you.
don't believe nothing y'all say like y'all don't believe me. Feel me?
Yeah, fair enough. You've never been to the county? No? Okay.
Considering the fact that you had marijuana on you, if you take it into the county, it's an additional felony charge through the county. You don't have anything else on you that you're aware of?
I got something right here in my pocket that's right here.
What was it?
Some drugs.
Some what?
It's a perk that I take. I get prescribed perks though, but that's mine.
You got a prescription for perks?
Yeah, but I got, what's the name? I got some cocaine though on me though.
Where's
My
that at?
pocket. It's right here, under my zipper. You can get it right here.
Okay. I appreciate that. Come on out.
But other than that,
You got some Percocet and some cocaine.
I got one perk. I get prescribed perks though.
That's fair enough. That's fair enough. Walk up to the front. All right. Turn face me. Where's it at?
Yeah, my zipper. No, open my coat. Right there. Right there.
Okay.
No, the perk's still in there. It's in there. It's in there.
Relax. Okay.
Cause you keep saying, I'm telling
No,
you.
I'm just gonna check you all over now that we found.
I was saying just so you don't think I'm lying to you.
No, I
got
appreciate
nothing
it. I appreciate you telling me that. But I haven't gotten a thank you for me telling you that either.
else. I was just saying.
That's an additional felony charge to Summit County that goes in there.
That's cool. You gonna find it regardless, bro.
Well, yeah,
I'm saying,
but
though,
maybe
you keep making it seem like I'm like you keep finding shit like it's a game. Like this is not.
well, it is
you
kind of
gonna
a game,
find it
isn't
regardless.
that what you call it, a game?
Yeah,
You guys are out here playing the game.
I don't play games. You play games.
Okay.
Are you cool with this yellow copy off?
Yeah,
I see it.
Hello, sir.
How you doing?
Beth. Who is this guy to you? What's that? How long have you known him? A little bit. Like a year? Longer than that? You guys go to school together? No?
Hey, this is funny.
Yep.
I hope y'all be at my court date. Just to see that I didn't get charged or nothing with no gun. So. But the
Well, you're
drugs,
getting a
though,
gun charge today.
Yeah. That's cool, but forensics gonna pull it back up. I didn't have nothing. So I don't care. It happens every time. That's what forensics is for. Test this stuff, right?
I think you watch too much TV, man.
No, they all test it for fingerprints and all that. I didn't have no gun.
I think you watch
I
too
didn't
much
have
TV.
nothing. What did y'all catch me with? What did y'all catch me with it?
Looks
How
like
did y'all catch me with the gun?
sitting right next to you.
How?
Do you think we have to have it in your hand?
Now how? Where was it sitting at?
Right next to you on the
Where at?
seat.
How's it sitting right next to me under the seat?
It wasn't under the seat. It's
Well,
on the
where was
seat.
it then?
Right next to, right where you put it, man.
Where did I put the gun? So if I put it there, so my fingerprints are gonna, right? Right or wrong?
No.
If it's my gun, right? Right or wrong?
Were you
If
wearing
it's my
gloves?
gun,
Were you
if it's
wearing
my- if
gloves?
it's- where- did
Were you
catch
wearing
me with any
gloves? Were
Did
you
catch
wearing
me with any
gloves?
Did you
You
catch
did-
me with any?
You
Did
didn't
you,
have
did
mine.
you find any gloves?
You didn't have
Come
mine.
on, man. You can play that game with somebody else. I'm not done. Come on, bro. I don't.
We could
do
agree
none
to
of that.
disagree with that. How
I'm
about
just
that?
telling you though. Just be there, buddy.
Sounds good.
You ain't gotta go and be like
I'm just
that.
saying though. I'm just telling you though. Be there.
Today you lost.
I don't.
Yes, lost.
I'm not tripping about going there for a
It
couple
sure
days.
seems like it.
I'm
You're
not.
calling this guy names.
I didn't say nothing. I said, buddy. What the?
Call him names.
I'm
That's-
not. You making it seem
You,
like I'm calling
you say
back.
buddy, we hear fuck you.
That's,
we
that's
hear
how
asshole.
you take it. That's how you take it.
Well, that's how you.
That's how you
That's
said
how
it.
you mean it, man.
That's how
I'm
you
not
said
saying
it.
it like that. I
It's a
was
two-way
saying what I
street.
said. Come on, man.
Hey, we're not dumb
Can't
either,
speak for
man.
me, though.
We're
You
not
can't
we're not
speak
dumb
for me.
either, right?
Yeah, I'm not either.
It just is what it is, dude.
Talking about buddy is a fuck dude. That don't even make sense. I would have said that.
All right, buddy. Get up here. Well, they're gonna pull it off the counter, so there's no sense to put it down. Just take it back. You got $5 or $6 grand, man.
Yeah.
Some crack. Yeah, it's been a minute.
Who is Dorian? Okay. Right this way. Get you out in a few minutes.
You get my phone?
Yeah, I got it. Man, your money.
Your stuff's on the left-hand side. Watch your step. Were you in a car accident or something? Oh. Is it both legs or just the one?